It was the baseline. Of course it's flat. Why would I use a curve?
Because you claim Earth's a sphere.
No, I don't.
He's asking me why he needs to measure it curved.
Why would I need to do that?
Because you claim Earth's a sphere. That's 3 times. He can't quite believe it's happening. He's asking me why he'd measure it with a curve. Because you think you're on a sphere. That's 4 times. Hello?
No, I don't. From that, we're able to determine that the radius of the Earth is around 6,466 kilometres long. Simple, job done. Now, you have actually seen the video and you have watched it, but it is much more improved from then. So at some point, I would love for you to have a look at it and cast your mind upon it and see if you can pick any holes in it.
I've heard your claim now. Thank you for presenting your claim, by the way. That is appreciated.
Well, that's part of it.
Now I need to respond without you talking through me.
Go for it.
So you said, first and foremost, you measured from a baseline, correct?
Absolutely.
And that was flat.
It was the baseline. Of course it's flat.
So it wasn't measuring
It's
from
on the Earth.
So it wasn't measuring from a curved adjacent then, which would be a curved.
Well, why would I use a curve?
Because you claim Earth's a sphere.
No, I don't.
Welcome to Flat Earth. Where's Wally? You just failed to win any Bitcoin.
How?
Because you just told me that you don't claim Earth's a sphere by declaring that you measured a flat baseline to gain an elevation angle to then compare 2 measured flat baselines to compare the difference. Now, if you're measuring on a spherical surface, you wouldn't have a flat baseline. You'd have a curved adjacent. So you've measured from a flat baseline. That's a flat Earth.
Well, okay, so let me beg the question. It's a flat Earth.
Okay, welcome to Flat Earth. You don't have to beg the question. You proved it when you measured an elevation angle.
And the 2 elevation angles?
Were both on a flat plane. If you're saying there's a difference between them, then you'd be measuring 2 curved adjacents. But you measured 2 flat baselines and then said, I got it different on the second time I measured the Earth as a flat baseline. Not a curved adjacent, a sphere Earth without a curved adjacent. Don't you get it?
Why are you begging the question?
I'm not begging any question. You told me you measured a baseline. So you measured a flat, straight line on the ground you were standing on. Welcome to Flat Earth.
No.
Yeah, that's what you just told me.
It's a baseline.
Yeah, flat one. Yeah, flat.
And not parallel.
Yeah, flat baseline. That's what you measured. I asked you, did you measure a flat baseline? Yes, you indeed did, to measure the angles. So you're measuring flat baselines. That's a flat Earth. And then you're telling me that you've compared 2 flat baseline and found there's a difference between them. Well, that's fascinating. Neither of them were measuring a curved adjacent to begin with.
Why would you need to do that?
Because you claim Earth's a sphere. That's why. That's DOS twice. Why would you need to measure it with a curved adjacent? Because you claim Earth's a sphere, you stupid idiot.
No.
Is this really happening?
Yes, he's really asking me why he'd need to measure the ground beneath his feet as curved. He's asking me why he needs to measure it curved.
Why would I need to do that?
Because you claim Earth's a sphere. That's 3 times. He can't quite believe it's happening. He's asking me why he'd measure it with a curve. Because you think you're on a sphere. That's 4 times. Hello?
No, I don't.
You don't claim you're on a sphere with a curved surface. Yeah, welcome to Flat Earth. If you don't claim the ground beneath your feet is curving and you're measuring it with a flat baseline, then you're on a flat Earth, you stupid muppet!